Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. We are doing a Cosy Island unboxing and review. If you haven't heard of Cosy Island, they are a must-have brand that you need to know about, whose mission is to make stylish heels and footwear that has the technology and comfort that you would find in trainers or fitness footwear. They are carefully designed, made from recycled materials, so many different styles to choose from, so many different colours. They have specific types of the same shoe to fit you in different ways. So if you are someone, for example, that needs a wider fit shoe, they've got a wider fit shoe version. They've got a standard version. They've got a narrower version. So you can go and find the perfect fit for your shoe. I am a heels girl through and through. I am a sucker for a pair of heels. I feel like every time I go out, I would prefer my outfit with heels. I would just deal with the pain because I didn't want to not wear heels. And I would wake up with swollen feet. My ankles were sore. I would literally take shots going out to just get rid of the pain. I used to take paracetamol gel, muscle ache gel with me out because my heels used to hurt so bad. Since COVID especially, my tolerance for wearing heels for a long time has got lower and lower, my pain tolerance. So if I can find a pair of comfy heels that fit me great, I am all ears. I'm gonna get stuck into the video because I've got 3 gorgeous pairs of shoes to show you guys, and honestly I just can't wait to open them. If you would like to see what I've got from Cosy Island, then please keep watching. You can tell they've really thought about their packaging, and already it gives me more confidence in the brand. The shoe box feels like really good quality, gorgeous kind of lemon yellow colour, and then inside it comes with a little thank you note as well, which I always love. I know this is a little bit silly, but I always love it when brands go the extra mile and they put that little thank you card into your package. But inside the actual box, obviously it's all nicely wrapped up. They've got their branded packaging on there as well, and then each of the shoes comes in an individual dust bag. So the first shoe I've got to show you guys is their bow tension pointed toe heeled mules. These are absolutely stunning. Can you see the soles? They are so padded. So you've got different individual padded elements, I think obviously on the tension points of your feet. So for example on your heel, and then obviously on the ball of your foot as well. They are extra padded and you can feel it. It's like a sponge. It's insane. It's pushing my hand back up. The heel is this really gorgeous kind of hourglass shaped heel. I don't really know how to explain it, but it still feels really narrow and almost like a stiletto, even though it's a mule. It's not a really clunky chunky heel, because one thing I've always found is when I've been trying to find heels with comfort, you end up going for something with a really chunky block heel. So the fact that they can create something that feels super comfortable, that still has the finer delicate detail that you would get from a stiletto shoe, is really, really nice. It's also this really gorgeous kind of glossy black painted finish. As you get to the front of the shoe, you've got this gorgeous kind of knitted fabric, and it's got all these little air holes to it, so you know these shoes are going to be really breathable and again have a lot of comfort. There's also quite a lot of stretch there, so they don't feel really structured and tight, so you do get again a little bit more give, and you know that this shoe is going to really mold to your foot. Obviously the main element of these shoes is this gorgeous bow detail as well. These are just made of a really nice kind of faux leather material. It feels really soft to the touch, and then it's got an elasticated element here as well, so you know it's just going to fit really comfortable on. I really like the placement of this bow here too, because you still get a really nice classic court shoe styled front, but you don't get that awkward toe cleavage that you get with some stiletto styled shoes, because you've got this gorgeous little bow detail that goes across, and I just think it feels really elevated and elegant. I like the fact that the back of the shoe is really square too, rather than it being rounded off. Again, it just feels slightly more design led, a little bit more modern. You guys can see as well the bottom of the shoe, it has this cut out texture to help with grip that you would normally find in a trainer, but you would not really find it on a pair of heels, so you're not slipping and sliding, because that is something that always happens when you wear heels. They're just too smooth and you go flying. Again, this is going to add to that level of comfort, and you're going to feel super comfortable and secure in these shoes. This range in particular comes in 11 different colorways, so you've got vibrant colors, you've got your neutrals, and they've even got patterns and animal print in there as well, so there really is something for everyone. everybody. I went with the classic black shoe. I think they'll look gorgeous with a little black dress moment, gorgeous with ties. I think you could equally throw these on with a pair of jeans, and they are just a perfect staple. So yeah, I absolutely can't wait to try these. So then moving on to our second pair of shoes. These are the Grace Life Mules. I'm not sure if I'm saying this 100% correctly. You've got a slightly higher heel this time. It obviously does taper out ever so slightly on the bottom to give you a little bit more support and balance, but you're still getting a really nice refined heel that you would get in a normal stiletto shoe. The cut for these is absolutely gorgeous. Can you guys see this back detail here? So it's got like a little bit of a kind of frame or a trim around the edge that comes up a little bit, so it just kind of frames your heel. It's not a close back, it just gives you a little bit more of a shoe at the back rather than it feeling like a slip-on. Again, I just think that makes the shoe feel so much more elevated. The front material is this kind of ribbed knitted material. It's got a lot of stretch again to it. The fabric's going to move for your feet and it's not going to rub, and it's just going to feel super comfortable on. It's got this really nice kind of chunky rounded strap that just runs across. It's this gorgeous like faux leather finish, which is the same finish that carries on all the way around and wraps around the back of the heel. And then you've got this gorgeous oversized gold buckle detail, and as you guys can see, I love anything chunky and gold, so these were right up my street. The soles are super padded, super comfy, and it doesn't look hideous. Like, they've done comfort in a way that feels so elegant and refined, and the shoes are so beautiful. They've got different versions on their website. I think some differ in terms of the hardware detail. Some of them come in brightly coloured options. They've got patterns. I wear a lot of brown. I've got lots of brown handbags, so I wanted a pair of shoes to match perfectly. It's got a really gorgeous kind of court shoe styled front. This heel height is actually 7 centimeters, so it's nearly 3 inches of a heel height, whereas the ones below were much shorter. Because the heel's a little bit finer and you've got more refined details on the shoe, it just feels a little bit more classic and more sophisticated, and it doesn't feel like a really chunky comfort shoe. It still feels like an elegant high heel. I love that they've got their gold like monogrammed logo in there too. Just really nice. Ties it all together. I'll probably throw these on the most with like a pair of jeans or a pair of suit trousers. I'll just feel that little bit more elevated but still really comfortable in my shoe. So moving on to our last but definitely not least pair of shoes to show you guys. These ones again are the highest in terms of their heel height, but I wanted to show you something that was a little bit different in terms of its style. These are their Wild Ease ankle strap stiletto sandals. As you guys can see, it is a little strappy stiletto shoe, which is my go-to, so I definitely wanted to try a pair. I got them in this gorgeous, it's like, I guess it's like tiger print. I kind of thought it was zebra online, but they've come and they're a little bit more golden than I originally thought, but I love them. Got a really gorgeous kind of satiny finish to the front, so you do get a really nice sheen and glow, and then the front strap as well has strips of that same material, and then you've got that knitted woven texture. They've got super padded soles with the higher instep, so you know that you're going to feel super comfortable on. The heel on these again is really fine and gorgeous. Like, look at that, it's gorgeous. It tapers out ever so slightly, it steps in a little bit here. It feels really fine, really architectural. I know I'm a little bit obsessed with kind of the thinness of the heel, but I feel like that's what makes a shoe feel so elevated. That's what you pay for with premium brands. So to have a comfortable pair of stilettos, strappy stilettos, that have that same look and that same feel, I just think it's really rare to find a brand that makes something like this. So then it's got a gorgeous ankle strap, and then you've got this nice little silver buckle detail as well. I wanted to get something with summer coming up, something that was a little bit more of a summer shoe that felt really playful and is probably a little bit more of an occasion wear going out shoe. The soles have a little bit of a grip detail. These ones don't have the same kind of like cut out texture as the others, but again still feel really grippy. I love the fact that the material as well carries on all the way around, and then the strap detail goes underneath. Everything's just like a really seamless edge detail, and you can tell that they've really thought about all the final finishes to the shoe. Really great quality, even disregarding like the fact that they are made of sustainable materials and that they've got insane comfort technology. They are just a beautiful pair of shoes. Cosy Island have really outdone themselves. I I'm super excited to wear these. I think these are a lot more playful. I would probably wear these going out. You could throw these on with a pair of jeans or like a little mini skirt. Zebra print, leopard print, animal prints are still quite neutrals in your wardrobe, and they can kind of be mixed and matched with anything. So even though I went for a print with these, I still think I'm going to get my wear out of them. I think they're a really subtle way to dress up a more minimal outfit, something that's slightly more casual. Throw these on, adds a little bit of instant glamour too. I just think they're stunning and I absolutely can't wait to wear them. So that is all of the shoes unboxed and shown to you guys. I hope it's given you a little bit of a wider insight into Cosy Island and a good introduction into the brand. Not only are they thinking about comfort and they've designed them so that they feel really great on your feet, you can tell that they've really thought about the details of the shoes. Even everything from like the material quality, everything feels so premium. All the stitching and the edge details and the hardware is so high level. The fact that they are such a sustainable focused company as well, I think is so great. Like nowadays people should just be doing it. All of their shoes are made out of recycled materials. They've got shoes that are made out of plastic bags. You would not know. Quality of the materials feels super premium. They feel young and they feel stylish and they feel appropriate, but you're not having to like force yourself to go through pain. Like you could pay hundreds and hundreds of pounds for top of the range heels that are beautiful, but 20 minutes in you've got blisters, your feet are bleeding, you're uncomfortable. It's just not worth it. I'm so excited that I found a company that not only creates beautiful footwear, but I can also feel really comfortable and confident when I'm wearing them, which is just unheard of. If you want to learn a little bit more about Cosy Island, then definitely go and check out their website. I popped all the links to all the products that I've shown you guys today in the description box, and also a link to their website, so definitely go and check them out. They have loads of different ranges. They've got platform heels, they've got higher heels, they've got more mules. Go and have a look at all the different colorways because there's literally thousands. If you do want to try Cosy Island out yourself, I've got a discount code which I'll pop on the screen now. That'll get you 10% off your order. So if you have seen anything you like in today's video and you want to try them out yourself, definitely use the discount code and get some money off. As always, if you've liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all very shortly in my next video.